Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a truly powerful mini PC, the Geekom A8, which is available on Amazon and can easily compete with full-sized desktop computers. In this video, I'll explain what it's capable of, whether it actually needs an external graphics card, and who will benefit the most from this device. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and motivates me to make more reviews. Let's get started! The computer arrives in a clean and well-designed box. Everything inside is securely fixed to prevent any damage during shipping. The package includes the mini PC itself, a power adapter, a cable, documentation, and a mounting bracket for attaching it behind the monitor. The packaging looks premium and creates a positive first impression even before you start using the device. The A8 is compact, neat, and barely takes up any space on your desk. The body is made from high-quality material that feels premium and doesn't attract fingerprints. The ventilation cutouts are placed in a way that keeps the system from overheating even under heavy load. The sides and back are packed with ports, allowing you to connect multiple monitors, external drives, peripherals, and even an external GPU. The overall design is minimalistic and fits perfectly into any workspace. Inside this small case is surprisingly strong performance. The mini PC runs fast, opens applications instantly, and handles multitasking with confidence. It's suitable for browsing, video editing, photo processing, running heavy programs, and professional software. Even under prolonged workloads, the system remains stable and doesn't freeze. The A8 supports external GPU connectivity through a high-speed interface, which allows the computer to handle demanding games or 3D work. The connection is stable, and the performance boost in gaming is very noticeable. In everyday use, the A8 performs like a full desktop PC. Video editing is smooth, applications respond quickly, and the system remains fluid under pressure. For gaming, the built-in graphics handle only lightweight titles, but once you connect an eGPU, everything changes dramatically. The performance jumps to a much higher level, enabling smooth gameplay in demanding titles. This transforms the A8 into a hybrid machine, compact and efficient for everyday tasks, and powerful when paired with external graphics. The Geekom A8 is very fast, compact, and takes almost no space on your desk. It operates quietly and stays stable even during long sessions. The wide range of ports makes it easy to connect all your equipment. The biggest highlight is its support for external graphics cards, which is rare for mini PCs and adds a lot of flexibility. Considering its size, the A8 offers an excellent price-to-performance ratio. Without an external graphics card, the PC is not suitable for heavy gaming or demanding 3D workloads due to the limitations of the integrated GPU. For maximum performance, a fast external SSD or high-quality storage is recommended, as the data load from an iGPU setup can be quite high. Another point to consider is that buying an external GPU increases the total cost, so it's something to keep in mind before purchasing. However, these limitations are normal for compact mini PCs. The Geekom 8 leaves a very strong impression. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful performance in real-world tasks. If you need a computer for work, studying, editing, or daily applications, the A8 handles everything with ease, and the option to connect an external graphics card turns it into a true hybrid, a compact work machine during the day and a capable gaming PC in your free time. It's an excellent choice for anyone who wants a versatile computer that takes up minimal space. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this review helpful, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments whether you've used mini PCs, and if you'd like to see a comparison between the Geekom A8 and other models. See you in the next videos.